To be able to see the final product is an absolute masterpiece that I'm incredibly proud of. The amount of individuals and companies that have actually been engaged in this project has been incredible from start to finish. It's been a really difficult project to see to completion, but I really do think that the results are absolutely worthwhile with fantastic stained glass windows for the community.
I'm beyond thrilled with this development. I think it's fair to say they exceed all expectations. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I think the way that they've been constructed as well, they're going to shine like a beacon out over the community and provide very much a focal point for this community. I think that right from the first concepts of this, having a partner like Penarth Housing Association that share our values of supporting communities to be as strong as they can, and also recognise the need to save the facade of the building and make it into something special, was really excellent. But on top of that, to be able to find a partner to run the community centre like Glamorgan Voluntary Services, who also share our commitment to local communities, I suppose is really the icing on the cake.
We didn't want something that we thought looked quite nice but the community had no ownership of. So we've made sure to do a lot of workshops and worked with the local schools to be able to develop these designs, and then working with our partners to be able to create them.
Well, I was really inspired by how connected people were to St Paul's, the history of it within the local area, and how really it's the last kind of landmark of a bygone era, I suppose. I think that acknowledging history whilst also acknowledging the future is really, really important, and I think involving the children so that they're invested in it and they understand that they had a part in it. They feel like they're part of history themselves.
We're using centuries-old techniques of glass cutting, leading, soldering, glass painting, so anything that's sort of small details been hand painted and kiln fired. We've worked closely with Sarah Sweeney, who I believe has been involved on the project right from the start in terms of liaising with the local community and sort of collecting their ideas and stories about what's important to them and the community and the people and the history.
It's really important that we develop social housing and affordable homes in the Vale of Glamorgan, and this regeneration project is one I'm incredibly proud of. Not only have we got a wonderful, fantastic community centre with our partners GVS, who are able to deliver community activities within it, we've also got much needed affordable housing.
I think this building ultimately will become a focal point within Penarth, where you'll say, oh well, if you go up High Street then you turn right and this sort of thing at St Paul's Church, where these amazing windows are going to shine out. I think the whole community will ultimately find a place in this community centre.